What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to be going over some technicals for Baby Doge today, and we're also going to be talking about how much Baby Doge you will need to have $1 million starting from the point that we're at now. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. But yeah, let's talk about Baby Doge. Now, before we even, go over the technicals, let's just talk about what you would need to be able to make $1 million. I did a technical analysis earlier on Baby Doge today, but I'm kind of going to do an update to it now. But first, let's talk about what you need for that $1 million in Baby Doge. So remember, when we were at our peak, that was like at 6.3. You can see it down here. We were actually at 8Z63. That's 8 zeros and then 6.3 at the end. So that was pretty significant. This is a huge discount compared to what we had over there. So anyways, right now, Baby Doge is at 1602. So that's 8Z1602, right? So let's just say you had $30,000. And let's divide that by 0.12345678160 That gives you 18.7 trillion Baby Doge with $30,000 at our current price. So now you may multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that's $1.8 million. So at the current point, you wouldn't even need a full $30,000. Remember, when we were around 4.3 or 5.3, somewhere around there, closer to the all-time high, we actually needed $30,000, and it was literally closer to $35,000. So watch my videos on that previously. But now we don't need that much money to get $1 million Baby Doge when it hits 61 because of the discount price that we're at now. Now, when Baby Doge was at 9Z7, that was the best point to buy it. Whoever got at that cheap price, thumbs up to you. I think that Baby Doge is probably not going to go below that again. Now, that was a very nice price. If we go down near it, I'm definitely going to continue to buy more and more Baby Doge. But yeah, that was huge. So let's just see what we would need for now since we're at 8Z16. So you don't need $30,000. Let's try $25,000. You go ahead and do a dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1602. That gives you 15.6 trillion Baby Doge, multiplying that by 6Z1. So multiplying it by 6Z1, this is the 6, and then that would give you 1.5 million. So now you can kind of see where it's going with this. So just off the top of my head, $20,000 is probably what you'll need to make $1 million off of Baby Doge. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that's 1602 multiplied. That this is going to be $1.2 million. Not one, yeah, like 1.2 million, something like that. But yeah, anyways, 1.24 million. Let's multiply this by 0.12345 and 1, or yeah, 61. So yeah, like I said, 1.24 million. That's pretty much what that's going to be. So really around $18,000 is probably what you'll need to get $1 million off of Baby Doge starting from now. So let's just do this like this, 1602. So that's 11.2. So that'd be $1.12 million. And I kind of got it in my head now. So anyways, multiplying that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, that's 1.1 million. And yeah, so not even at that amount of like 20,000, maybe 15,000. Like, yeah, Baby Doge, like you don't need that much money to get to $1 million. I mean, that is a lot of money for a lot of people, but still, like you can still save up $15,000. But anyways, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 8Z1, or 1602 is really what we're at. So yeah, this would only be 936,000. So yeah, so somewhere around $16,000 is pretty much what you would need in Baby Doge to get $1 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1602. That brings you to the 9.9. So yeah, about 16.5 mil or $16,500 is what you'll need to have $1 million in Baby Doge. So let's check that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1602. And yep, there you go. There you have it. So yeah, about $16,500. And just so you can actually see the math done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you can't do it in your head, here it is right here. $1 million, $1,029,000. So yeah, that is what you need. 16.5K at the current price right now to have $1 million from Baby Doge. So that's better than the 35K that you needed when we're close to our peak. Because if you watch my videos on how to get to, like, just go on YouTube and type in how to make $1 million with Baby Doge Marsellis. Like, you put that in, it's gonna pop up for you because I put that in the title. So this is literally huge because $35,000 compared to having to have 16,000, like that's literally half of what you would have needed. And just imagine if we go back down to 9Z7, like this is a huge opportunity. I'm continuing to try to get more and more Baby Doge. I know it's hard for a lot of people to continue to buy Baby Doge because inflation and all that, we're all suffering from this. So hopefully we can all continue to buy more and more and more so that when the next pump comes, we are positioned properly for that. But yeah, anyways, let's go over the technicals now because this is definitely a good segment of the Baby Doge video. But I know a lot of people want to see where Baby Doge is going to be going next so then they can get that good buying opportunity. So the whole overall crypto market right now kind of doing some sideways movement and some heavy volatility inside of all the cryptos. I know you see everything has the same lines, everything has the same chart from Tron all the way down to Litecoin, all the way down to Monero, Bitcoin Cash, OKB, Ethereum Classic. Everything has the same chart right now. And when you look at Bitcoin, it's not exempt from that. But when you look at Baby Doge is not doing the same thing as these other coins. And you can actually see it here. Like we're just not doing the same thing. Compare Baby Doge to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing some very sporadic movements right now. Some really, really volatile movements. And Baby Doge isn't really being as volatile. So they're two completely different things. Now, since Bitcoin did just now come off of this big sell off here, and now we're kind of trading through this consolidation type pattern. Not really consolidation, but it could be. We still are primed to do a pullback, so nothing has changed since this morning on that pullback. But a few things have changed when you look at Baby Doge. So I was discussing inside the video earlier for Baby Doge how 1-4 is really the telltale sign to where Baby Doge is going to go. Look, if we break 1-4, you are going to see Baby Doge go all the way down to 1250. But right now, what we're seeing, Baby Doge is like, no, it does not want to go below 1-4. And actually, you can see that here. So we've really been trying to set these standards here for Baby Doge for our lows. So Baby Doge does not want to go below 1500 right now. That's seeming like some good support. But look, if this stops right here and it doesn't do something like this, if it stops here and then starts to trade between this channel here, that kind of confirms that it's a downtrend. But if we just break above this little red line right here, and then we can actually go all the way up here, then that confirms that we're going to be bullish right now. So if you see this, like I said, then it's going to be a bearish signal. But if it just goes like this and then just goes past that little resistance up here, then we'll be good. But anyways, 1550, it's minor resistance. It's nothing major, but it is a good signal to show where Baby Doge is going to be next after that. So other than that, that's really all I wanted to mention for the technicals because definitely watched the video earlier. I go over the technical analysis for today in full, but I just wanted to give that little update on the Baby Doge technicals for this. Now, like I said, it's still possible for 1250. So let's look at it from the 1250 standpoint, though. Like, what if Baby Doge was at 1250, the support that we're looking at? So let's go ahead and do your 16.5K divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1250. That would give you 13.2 trillion Baby Doge, which then would give you $1.32 million. So let's look at it from this viewpoint. Let's look at the 16.5K that you would need at the current price, but let's do it at our lowest price recently, which was 9Z7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, because there's 9 zeros and then 7. Yeah, then you get 23.5K or 23.5 million or trillion Baby Doge. That's a lot. Oh my gosh, I don't even know why I just not closed that. Let's do this again. I just couldn't even fathom it. I had to just close it because it was just too much. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that is 7. So yes, 23. That's so much money right there. Let's go ahead and multiply that by 61. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, this is huge. $2.3 million. So you would really need, that's a lot of money. If we go down to 9Z7 again, that is going to be a huge opportunity. Do not miss that opportunity. If we go back down to 9Z7, I mean, that was a huge buying opportunity. So I'm going to be buying if we get back down there again. I really hope we get back down there again. but it doesn't seem like it's going to be possible. But anyways, moving on from that, we already went over some technicals today. Let's go ahead and talk about this. We're almost at 1.6 million holders for Baby Doge. Good stuff there. And fun fact, Baby Doge is the top Binance Smart Chain coin, the top Binance Smart Chain token with the top holders. That's huge. Do you know the token with the most holders on BNB chain is Baby Doge Coin? Boom. That's huge right there. So yeah, we're also in the top 10 holders for all of crypto. So not only for Binance, we're the top coin or the top token for Binance, but now for all crypto, we're in that top 10. That's huge. That is huge. So Baby Doge will not fail. Baby Doge is gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going, and it's gonna keep going. It cannot fail. But like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We can just call it pure speculation, call it how it is. But what I see right now, I see Baby Doge continuing to be the top Doge out there. But yeah, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to go ahead and become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And as always, I'll be back with another video.